Namaste everyone, I'm Quinn from DEL48 and welcome to our YouTube channel. So as you know, Raksha Bandhan is coming and we would need Rakhis. So this time I decided why not make Rakhis at home. So in this video, I'm going to give you DIY ideas for making your own personalized Rakhi for your brother. I'll be making 6 different types of Rakhi so you all will be able to make your favorite Rakhi easily. So let's start! Alright, so at first I will make a Rakhi using stones. So to make this Rakhi, first you need to cut a circular shape from a colorful sheet, just like this, and a wool. So as you can see that our stones Rakhi is ready. Now let's move on to our next Rakhi. So if you don't have stones at your home, then don't worry, because here I will show you a simplest Rakhi which is called the pom-poms Rakhi. Can you see this? First we need a wool to make this Rakhi. Just take this wool and make a K sign and do it like this. Wrap it around your fingers. Now take a scissor and cut this part. Now I will take the wool from behind and bring it over. And now remove this from your finger. Now it will look something like this, and just cut both the ends of this wool with the help of a scissor. Now just trim this wool in a circular motion. Now as you can see that this is ready, and I have already made so many pom-poms here, like as you can see that. Now take a needle and a thread and just put this in between this wool and take this out from the other side. Now take a scissor and cut the end part of this wool. So finally our pom-pom Rakhi is ready, and this is looking very pretty, right? This is the most easiest Rakhi. Yay! And also you can put your favorite stone on this Rakhi just like I did, like this. Now the next Rakhi is a Rakhi using earbuds. In this I will show you 2 different types of Rakhis using earbuds. So to make this Rakhi, first we need to paint our earbuds with your favorite color. Now just cut both the ends of this earbud and paste them on the top of the circular sheet. I will show you how to do it. Finally, my earbud Rakhi is ready, and this is looking very pretty. So let's move on to our next Rakhi. In this Rakhi, we will use 3 layers of earbuds, and also we will not use any stone on this Rakhi. Here I made this braid by using wools. So finally this Rakhi is also ready, and this is looking very pretty. So let's move on to our next Rakhi, which is called Lumba Rakhi. So to make Lumba Rakhi, first we need pom-poms, few stones, scissor, a needle, thread, glue, and a circular shape paper. First take this circular paper and fold it into half. Now just fold this paper and make a cone-like shape. And now just paste both the ends. Now cut the upper little part of this cone. Now take a needle and a thread and tie a tight knot at the end of this thread. Now take these pom-poms and decorate your thread. Now just decorate this cone with your favorite stones. So now as you can see that I have decorated this cone. Finally our Lumba Rakhi is ready. So if you don't have stones, wools and earbuds, then don't worry, because here I am teaching you the last Rakhi and final Rakhi, which is called as quilling Rakhi. So to make this Rakhi, you will need some quilling papers. If you don't have quilling papers, then relax, because you can make these straight strips at your home. These type of straight strips. First you need to paste 2 quilling papers together, like I am doing. Just glue 2 quilling papers together. Now just roll this quilling paper into circular motion, just like I am doing. Now the strip is ready, and now just loose it, like just leave it. It will look something like this. Now just loose it the way I am doing. Just fold this sheet. It will look like something like this. Now paste both the ends using a glue. Here I have already made so many like this. Now the next step is just take a colorful circular paper and paste your quilling sheets on the top of this paper. So finally our quilling Rakhi is ready. So as you can see here, all the Rakhis are ready, which are made at home with lots of love. So it's time to say a sweet goodbye to you all, but I hope to see you all very soon. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you really like this video, then please hit the like button and please do subscribe to our channel. Bye bye and happy Raksha Bandhan!